This is one of my favorite plants because of the green, yellow, and white colors in the leaves. And its stems grow long. It can even climb walls. See? And don't you just agree that this bare wall is better off with golden pothos? To grow, cut some stems from grown plants. As you can see, the leaves are separate from each other, and each leaf has its own node. Then, cut off each leaf. Make sure not to remove the node from its leaf, since the roots will grow from their node. We will remove the excess stem, so all the nutrition the leaf will get will go to root production. Then we put the leaves, dipping the node part in a cup of water until it grows its roots. We can throw away these excess stems because it won't grow anyway. Your nodes will grow roots like this soon. While waiting for the roots to grow, you can display the containers inside your home. Though it's better if you leave it in a warm area to help the roots grow faster.